Good evening, friends. I'm Kannan from Buy Above Sell Below Tamil YouTube channel, and this is actually we have generated on December month 2020. Equity name Savita Oil. Savita Oil. Actually, we have generated a positional call that is actually medium term. So in between, this is actually 16 December 2020, not 21, 20. I am sorry. And we have generated a call in between Savita Oil between 729 to 650. The target is 850, 975 and 1100 exactly. Market on 16th December, it is around 729 on close basis, and it fell up to Savita Oil fell up to 655. So actually in between 650, it is the low was 655 on 25th January actually, and the target is 850, 975, 1100. So almost all the targets achieved, and today's high is 1038. So third target nearly it went up to nearly 1100 third target. Okay, so these are the positional calls we will give our positional software clients. So they will churn their capital according to our fresh calls, and they will keep on exiting also. So we'll what we will do is for our software clients we will generate calls through WhatsApp, and we will indicate exit exit price also. We will send you the exit messages to the clients so that they will very happy to get exit from the particular stock. So these are the things, and we are not I'm not actually I'm not loading uploading all the calls, because software clients will get so many calls: medium calls, short term calls, long term calls, multi-bagger calls. So some of the important calls I will upload in our Buy Above Sell Below YouTube channel. So please watch all these calls, and anybody need the software, please call 9884013967. My name is Kannan. The software cost is around 30,000 rupees, and software buyers will get short term calls, medium term calls, long term calls, multi-bagger calls, and index options. If any opportunities will get into index options, we will share the index option calls and stock options calls too. So um, I hope you enjoyed this video. So I request you to please subscribe this channel and click red button to get all the further future uploaded videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.